Okay, guys. So where are we yesterday? Do everyone downloaded the Python software now? Please, everyone, mute your mic. And if you have doubts, you can monitor. So successfully, we have installed the Python software and everything. So few things like there are few students. I mean, who are getting really some kind of doubt about this placement, all those things. Let me explain you about that clearly, and then we will get into the subject where we stopped yesterday. See, let's say, as I told you yesterday, with the pattern that what we are following. Okay, pattern what we are following. First of all, let me write the patterns. Okay, so pattern to follow. Okay, pattern to follow. So first, what we are going to do is the place where you are going to train for 2 months. Is the place and three different stages. Let me take it. Suppose here is a student. For example, here is a student. So the first 2 months, as we told you, so the first 2 months, you will be having the training part. You will be having the training part. Let's say we need to learn Python, we need to learn Tableau, we need to learn SQL, Power BI, Excel, tools like NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, SQL. So we need to learn the stuff. Okay, we need to learn the stuff. And few people are having the doubts. Is this syllabus will be completed in 2 months? Yes, because we are not taking the weekend section, right? We are taking the week sections from Monday to Friday. So in week we will be having 5 days now. So mostly we will be completing in 2 months. If any syllabus is pending, we will extend the sections. Okay, the sections will be extended. Okay, there will be no skipping the topics, nothing like that. If it is sufficient, we will be completing, or else we will take the extra sections and we'll complete the topics. But learning is not only the way to get the job. Okay, well, if you just learn, you will be in our home only. Like we will be just sitting in our home every time. So whatever we learn, we need to implement. We need to implement. Let's say, suppose like internship, we are providing 2 months internship here. This is the major key role. Major key role. Okay, this is 2 months. Why it is internship? Like lot of companies will provide internship now. Then what is the difference here? Here, let's say, in my not last company, last second company where I was working with a company called Atai.ai. So for as an analyst, for few months, not for entire month, for just for few months sake, there we have fetched the data from the SBI bank. Okay, let's say from Moli Modan. Please meet your mic from the SBI bank, for example. So this, I mean, customers data set, customer data. Whether what about his transaction about the credit card and how he is paying the credit card, how many loans he is having in the bank, in the SBI bank. So all kind of data. It's a huge data we collected from the SBI servers. Okay, SBI servers. So what we have done, we have done the analysis part on top of it. So we are already having this data set in my laptop in my company's database. So what we are going to do, this is already done in the real time, which we have done and we have submitted to the client from a company, IT company. So this data set is we already work. So we are going to train you on top of this data set. This is one example. In the same way, you are having multiple data sets, which we already work in the real time, which we already worked in the real time companies. So how we have done, how we approached our problem statement, in the same way, the students will be also following here. Not like sitting and just watching the YouTube and seeing some kind of dashboards or writing a sample code. No, not like that. So how the company expects you. So in that way, we are going to train you in these 2 months. This is the learning place. This is the implementation place. As I told you, this is an implementation place. Okay, we need to implement everything what we will learn in an advanced manner. Okay? There will be some pipelines and everything. We'll discuss everything when we get into it. Okay, so I can just mark it as a 5-star. If we just use this place for 2 months, it will be miracle. You can do miracles. And after that, as we promised, so every month, every 15 days, we will be having drives in our company. We will be having the drives. It might be online drives, it might be offline lives. Some companies will call us and tell we need data analyst persons only. Some people will call us and they will ask data science. So drives will be happen. Okay. And before getting to this place, we will be having the resume building. Okay. The resume building will be happening here. Everything from our team only, nothing from your side. We will just take the details of your mail ID, mobile number, this kind of details, and we'll develop the resume. And we will either, if we have the drive, we will send to the drive management, or else we will apply in different kind of portals. But finally, you are going to get the call. You are going to get the interview calls. So once you are getting the interview call, na, you just need to inform me. Like, sir, we are getting. Can you please mute the mic, everyone, please? Okay. So once getting the call, so suppose if there is a Anand Pandey is there, for example. Let's take an example of him. If we get the call, so yes, this is the call from some particular company regarding the data analyst position. You have applied for the resume. If you're getting such kind of call, means that call is nothing but from our own, because we are applying everything either from the drive, either from the portals. So immediately you can contact us immediately. Once getting the call, sir, from this company, we are getting the call, and this is the call that what we get. But what we will do, we'll connect with our team and we will develop the interview questions for you based upon the company. Every company will be not, see, let's say every company will not ask the same question. So if I will just give an example, Google will be having some kind of interview, some pattern of interview. Microsoft will be having some pattern of interview. So both the interviews held in the same manner? No, right? Every company has their own strategy, in the interview part. So once getting the call, depends upon the company, depends upon the feedback. Let's say if I just open, suppose if I just open this one, and if I open my company where I am working currently, let's say this one. Okay? If I am opening this one, sorry, this is a chat box. Just give me a minute. Just I will do it. Before that, how we will analyze the company. A lot of students will be having doubts like, how sir, how you are going to analyze the company? Okay. If you work in the real time for a few years, you will be also getting this idea. See, let's say if I open my company, based upon the home page only we can decide. See, uh, by looking at the stuff what I have returned, everything. So this is completely aviation IoT kind of a company. So what type of questions that you can get from this company? What they will ask? How to shortlist them? Once interview is happening means how we can easily shortlist them. So based upon the company websites and everything, we are going to shortlist. We are going to train you before getting into the first round. And also, I'm telling every 2 weeks. Okay. So this is the first week now. This is the first week. Okay, fine. Next week also fine. Later week, after 2 weeks, you will be having the mock interviews. Okay, mock interviews. Sir, what is the meaning of mock interview? Let's say we learned the Python basics. Okay, Python basics. Okay, learning is enough, guys. Learning is enough. Python basics you learned enough. No, right? So what we will be doing? We will be keeping the mock interview. We will be asking the questions. What did you understood from these topics? So is there any change that you want to do? Is there anything that you want to again study the topics? I go through the topics, everything. So every 2 weeks, we will be having the mock interviews. And in internship, here, only in the learning phase, only mock interviews. But in the internship, it's not like mock interviews. It's like IT interview only. It's like IT interview only. We will, how the IT company will interview a person, in the same way we will be sitting here, we will be asking the questions. Let's see, like we will see how the student is performing, where the drawbacks are, so in which technique he need to improve. Everything will be noted. Everything will be noted. And once getting the call, our team reviews the company page. Okay. So our good thing in the Vihara Tech is from last 3 years we are working, and the entire team in the Vihara Tech is completely into data science. So every person who is calling you, who is talking with you, the person who I am teaching now, so I am the person, my CEO, everything. Every person is from AI departments only, artificial intelligence, computer vision, machine learning, analyst persons. A lot of people are there. So we can easily understand the company strategies, like based upon the home pages, what they are expecting, what type of questions we are getting. Okay. And these assistance is not for one time, I'm telling you. because a lot of students are asking us like only one time if we get the call, is it fine, sir? Is it done with from your side? No. So as I told you, the drives are going to happen. Our resumes are. We'll just keep a loop on it. We'll just keep a loop on it. So continuously, your resume is going to be uploaded from the team continuously. So you're going to get the call at any cost, and just you need to connect with the team. Yes, I got the call. Now what to do? So our team will be there here to just like protect you, and will be helping you in the company. In interviews, what type of Python questions they will ask, what type of coding questions they will ask. What type of strategy they will follow, what you have to tell about from the self introduction. From the self introduction, okay, because there will be some kind of techniques to perform well to impress others, or the opponent who is sitting in front of you. Okay, so everything will be done here. So the only thing what you have to do is, can anyone guess what you have to do? You just need to listen very carefully here. Take a notes, note down what I am teaching completely. I'm telling you. Okay, please write everything in the paper or in your notebook with your pen. So if you just sit and listen, it will be not in your head. Okay, the data science, data analysis, or whatever it might be, it is a very vast subject now. You are going to forget at any cost. You're going to forget. So please note down everything. Please note down everything. And here, this is like a mantra for us. So we need to use this time at any cost. And then, as we told you, the type sections. So you need to perform here and here. You just need to do the hard work in these two stages, in these two different stages. Okay. So this is the strategy. Like a lot of students are asking for this. So I mentioned here clearly. And now getting back to the work. And if you have endorsed this, you can ask me, or else the people who didn't download the Python software, you can just raise your hand. Okay. Clear everyone? First of all, I'm audible now.
Yes, Kamal.
Yes.
And one more thing that I just want to tell you is, a lot of people are having a issue in downloading the Python software. Let's say somebody yesterday Windows 7 they are using, so it is hard to install the recent versions. So don't worry, for them we can work in the online also, not an issue. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to teach you now the installed version, whatever the software that we installed, how to work on it along with another software like Anaconda. At the end of the section, I will tell you like the people who are facing the issue in downloading the software, no problem. You can work in online also. There is no need of doing everything here. You can work in the online also. Okay, I will tell you. But before that, yes, please confirm. You can just put it in the chat. I will get a clarity. Like everyone install the software right, at any cost. Clear, right? Python software. Python software install. Okay. Python software install. Fine. The question is now. The question is, okay, Kamal, Python software install. What we have to do? What we have to do? Let's say after installing the software, please everyone mute your mic. After installing software, select IDE. As I told you yesterday, select IDE to write the Python code. Simple. What is an IDE? Guys, what is an IDE? Yesterday I told you. It is an integrated development
Environment.
environment, where the place where to write the code. The user, he will sit and write the code. The place is known as an IDE. But when you are installing the software, when you are installing the Python software, the Python will provide one IDE. Okay, installing the software, you see, let's say you are downloading the game. So if there is no use of downloading the game means what is the, what is the time waste now? So once if you are downloading the game means automatically you can play the game. You can play the game, or else there is waste of time and waste of the storage also. Waste of time and waste of storage. So in the same way, when you downloaded the Python software, just downloading and keep it in the system, no use. So when you are downloading the Python software only, Python will provide one IDE. I mean, for the user to write the to do some kind of operation or to for the practice sake, whatever it might be. So see, I will show you. First of all, you downloaded the Python. Python is there or not? Python software is installed or not? Let's see. Yes, Python software is installed. Python software is installed. And from here, if you want to come back, from here, if you just want to come back, use Control Z. Use Control Z. Just type, press the Control and Z, it will come back. And once again, if you want to see whether Python is 100%, like not a 99.99%, 100% installed or not, first option is this. First option is this. Second option is pip, PIP. Type PIP. Enter. So if you just click on enter, it should give a bigger, these many lines. If you see this kind of outputs means we can say 100% Python has been installed. Perfect. 100%. So there are two different ways. One is Python and one is pip. Okay. So the next, okay, Python software is installed. Now, as I told you, do the Python provided any IDE to work to write the code? Python is providing any ground for you to go and play the cricket, like in the same way to go and write the code. Let's see. See, there is called IDE, Python. Okay, L is nothing but a language. Okay, IDE, we call them as an IDE. Click on it. Just click on it. Okay, this is the white color one. You can see here in the search option, type PYTH. Whoa. Okay, you can see this white color one. Click on it. It will open. It will open a white color page. So, what is this command? Very simple. Python software we installed. Okay, and this software. See, if you are downloading the game, into your laptop. Okay, so just downloading in your laptop is not an use. You need to run the game, no? You need to run the game. So there will be some option to run the game. There will be some option for you to run the game. In the same way, we install the Python. So installing Python, just installing the Python is Python should provide some place to work, some place to write the code. So this is the place. This is the place. Okay. The question is it a user-friendly case? What is the meaning of user-friendly? Can anyone tell me, like in your entire experience, whatever in the intermediate or in the BTech, what is a user-friendly? The keyword means user-friendly means very easy to understand. Yes or no? Very easy to understand. I will just give you a simple example. Telegram. Do anybody know about Telegram?
Yes,
Do
sir.
anybody know? Yeah, Telegram
Yes,
is there. Yeah. May I know, like, in which country Telegram has been invented? I mean, discovered. Who developed the Telegram? Telegram was developed from the India only. From the India only. If you see, the Telegram concept and the WhatsApp concept is same. But why a lot of people will be using the WhatsApp? Why they are not using the Telegram? Because user friendly. The WhatsApp is very user friendly. If anybody is new to WhatsApp also, they can easily understand about what we can do with the help of WhatsApp. But with the Telegram, it will be also same. But nowadays they have done a lot of changes. But in the starting level, when I am using the Telegram, it is very complicated to use. We can't understand easily. That's what user friendly means. User friendly means we need to understand very easy. So why we are discussing this user friendly concept? Come on, see. You install the Python software, original software, guys. Official software you install. And this official software is providing you one IDE to write the code. To write the code, fine. But this IDE is not so user friendly. See, not so user friendly. If I just type Kamal, see, you are getting red colors. What is this Kamal? This is error, but see, It's not like it's so user friendly to write the code. See, let me tell you, there will be no intelligence at all. Okay. So what I'm trying to say is the IDE provided by the original Python software is not so user friendly. The people who started the career just now into into Python and data analysis, anything, okay, anything with respect to Python, if they want to learn the Python language, don't use this IDE. I'm telling you, I'm recommending don't use this one. You can ask like, sir, it is an official one, na? We downloaded from the official software. Then why we are not using? Yes, we downloaded the official software only. Official software only is providing this IDE for us, but this is not so user friendly. This is not so user friendly. Only the people who have a very good knowledge in Python can understand what they are writing here. So we are not going to use this ID. We are not going to use this ID. I'm writing here since due to, okay, since due to user understanding. User understanding. Okay, let's do one thing. Since we downloaded Python, since we downloaded official Python, but IDE is not user friendly. IDE is not user friendly. So I am not going to use it. I am not going to use it. I am not going to use it. So you can ask me one more question, sir. If you're not going to use it, then what you're going to use? Okay, then what you're going to use? Okay. Okay. Original software. I am not going to use now the original software because original software is fine, but it is not providing the proper IDE, user-friendly IDE to work. Next, okay, keep it aside. Keep it aside. Don't think about it. Keep it aside. Come down. Now, what to do? We need a place to work. We need a place to work. Then what to do? There is a software called Anaconda. There is a software called Anaconda. Okay. Okay. You will listen very carefully, guys. In interviews for the freshers, they will ask you why why you're not using Python, then why you're using Anaconda software. So listen very carefully. There is a software called Anaconda. This Anaconda, this Anaconda is in the collaboration with the Python. Okay, is in the collaboration with Python. Okay, they both are friends now. Anaconda is a different software. Python is a different software. But they joined in recent time, not in recent times, long back, around 4 or 5 years back, I think so. Okay, Anaconda and Python. So they both become friends now. So you can ask this, what is Anaconda? Okay, Python we have already seen. What is Anaconda? Guys, you have a big house. You are a very rich kid, for example. And in summer season, 10 relatives with the same age of you. Okay, what is your age? Let's say my age is 35, for example. So 35 years of age, my cousins, my friends, everybody came to my house in the summer. So 10 people. So everyone want to play the cricket match. So first of all, what we will think as a human being, 10 people, the cousins or friends, if they want to play the cricket, what they will think? First, they will search for a ground. Yes or no? They will search for a cricket ground where the ground is. Okay. Imagine in front of your home, there are 10 different grounds. There are 10 different grounds. Now tell me, in which ground you will play the cricket? In which ground you will play the cricket? So just understand my question. Your cousins, there are 10 people along with you, there are 10 people, cousins in your home. They want to play the cricket in the summer season. So there are 10 different cricket grounds in front of your home. So which ground you will choose? Obviously, the best ground. Am I right? Obviously, the best ground. So out of 10 grounds, which is having the best, the field, the pitch, everything, we will select that particular ground. In the same way, Anaconda is having lot of grounds. Grounds one, a lot of grounds. Anaconda software will be having lot of grounds. Ground one, ground two, ground three, so on. Ground four. Just imagine ground one, ground two, ground three. Lot of grounds are there. Okay, lot of grounds are there. And Anaconda is the combination with Python. So, which means first what we will be doing is, first we'll install the Anaconda. Then we'll get a clear idea why we are choosing this Anaconda one. What you have to do if you want to install Anaconda, go to here, and in the Google, just type Anaconda download. Okay, Anaconda download, and go to the official documentation. Anaconda.org. .org means organization. So from the official documentation only, we need to download. I am going to anaconda.org. Click on it. Click on it. It will open some page for you. Okay. Let's go to the bottom. See down. There is option called download Anaconda here. Okay. Let's click on that one. Let's click on that one. Okay. It is routing to some other page, and coding cloud download. No, we just want to download it. So come down, come down, come down. Yeah. See guys, at the end of the page, you can see Windows. I think a lot of people are using Windows. Okay. This one, 64-bit. Please download it. Please click on download. It will download. The people who are using the Mac, you can download it. Mac version. The people who are using the Linux, like Ubuntu software, they can download it, or they can download the .deb file, .deb file, and they can. I think only companies will use this software. We will be not using the, keep it aside. So mostly with Windows now. So click on it. See, 64-bit graphical user download. Click on it. It will ask you to, yes, download. Please download in my downloads folder only. Yes, I am downloading. It occupies around 450 to 500 MB. I mean half MB of GB. Sorry, not half. Guys, following, right, everyone? Clear, right? Following, understanding from the scratch. Okay. So please download this Anaconda. And I'm telling you, the people who are not having a high level laptop, the people who are having a who are not having a high laptop, let's say i5 processor at least, 8 GB RAM. Okay, i5 processor and 8 GB RAM. Those who have these kind of configurations, they only download this Anaconda. The people not having a proper laptop, don't download the Anaconda. I will tell you how to work in the online. Don't complicate your laptop. Okay. If you want to really study, you can study from everywhere in the current generation. You can use every technique and you can study. No need of downloading the softwares. But from my side, it's my duty to tell. So I'm installing and telling you. Those who are interested, they can download and install, or else I'll tell you how to work in the online. Okay, it's taking some time. It's taking some time. Yeah, let's wait. Let's wait. Guys, any one of you, if you are downloading Anaconda, please let me know. I will continue I will need update laptop for download Anaconda. Yes, Tarun, that's what I'm telling. If you are having the high configuration laptop, fine. If you are not having high configuration laptop, don't download Anaconda. I will tell you how to work in the online. Okay? Don't complicate the laptop. So go to downloads. Okay. See, Anaconda has been downloaded. As I told you yesterday, there will be two different phases. One is download, second one is install. Second one is install. Yeah, Tarun, you have old laptop, so don't download it. You will work in online, not an issue. Okay. So 2 months internship offline. It's an online program, right? Our trainers and the people, everyone are real-time people. So they will be in the offices now. Okay. See, here is an Anaconda. Okay. So first we downloaded. Fine. Next, what is the step? Downloaded, completed. Next, installing. Installing. Any one of you downloaded this Anaconda? Anyone? Any one of you download Anaconda? With me? If anyone of you download Anaconda, please let me know. I will tell you the steps so that it will be very easy for everyone to understand. Simple, double click on it. Double click on it. Okay. Just double click on it. Guys, follow my steps. Follow my steps. Okay, this is a big software, so that's why it is taking time. Okay, see, if you'll open like this, click on next. Okay, agreement, not an issue. Click on I agree. Okay, keep it just me on. Keep it in the option called just me. Next, and you just click on next. Everyone, the people who are not having Anaconda, click on next only. But already in this folder, I'm having the software. Already in this folder, I'm having the Anaconda software. So it will tell me already there is a file. See, already there is a software in the folder. But for you, it will not tell anything. It will download. I mean, it will click on, if you click on next, automatically it will go to the next page. But I will change the folder. Just 1 minute. Just 1 minute. What I will do is, just for explaining you clearly, in the desktop, that is 1 minute. I will make a new folder called Anaconda. And see something like this. Okay. I'm selecting this one. I'm selecting this one. Okay, and see that it is not selecting. Just a minute, guys. Just want to select the folder. Okay. Something else. Okay. See, click on next. You don't do anything. You just directly click on next. But I need to change the folder. That's it, because I'm in the software. Click on next. Okay. Directory is not empty. So what I'm going to do is, here I'm going to create a folder demo. Suppose, yeah, this is empty folder now. Now it will be easy for me. Where is the folder demo folder? Yeah, demo. Click on it. Yeah. Click on next. Okay. This is the very much important page. This is very much important page. First, click on the first one at any cost. Click on the first one. Click on the first one. Okay. Don't do remaining to no need. Remaining to no need, but at any cost, click on the first one. Very much important. See, you might get some red color error. Also, no problem. Also, no problem. Click on the second one and click on install. See, if you just click on install, this one, if you just click on install, the software will be installed. But I'm not clicking on install because already software is there. It will just crash my previous one. Okay. After clicking it, click on install. It will take at least 5 to 10 minutes based upon your internet. It will take some time and it will install the software. This is how installing this Anaconda. Installing Anaconda. So, okay, sir, once clicking on install, okay, I will wait for 10 to 15 minutes. My software will be installed. Fine. What we have to do? What we have to do, sir? As I told you, okay, after installing the Anaconda, go to the search option. Go to search option. So here, the search option, type Anaconda. Anaconda. You can see a green color one. Green color. After installing, I'm telling you guys, after installing, if you type Anaconda in the search, you can see Anaconda Navigator. This one. Click on it. Click on it. Okay. I'm opening the Anaconda software. It will some pop-ups will come, it will come and go like this. See, the pop-ups will come and they will go. They will come, they will go. Not an issue. See how they are coming like a hero. They're coming, they are going. Let's see. It's taking some time. See, it's opening my software. That's why I'm telling you, the people who are having the old laptops, small laptops, don't install Anaconda. My laptop is high configuration one, so it is also taking some time. See how that much big the Anaconda software is. So we'll have a look. We'll have a look into this software. See, as I told you, the Anaconda is with the combination of Python, first of all. Okay, it's with the combination of Python software. They both are friends now. Okay, they both are friends. So Anaconda software, what is the Python? You know, Python. What is the purpose of Python? To write the code Python to learn the Python language. What Anaconda? Anaconda is nothing but it's like a playground for us. It will provide lot of playgrounds. See, ground 1, ground 2, ground 3, ground 4, ground 5, ground 6. 12, 13, 14 grounds it is providing. In which ground you want to write the code, you can just write it. Which means IDE 1, IDE 2. See how many IDEs Anaconda is providing. How many IDEs the Anaconda is providing for us? 14 IDEs are there. So from these 14 IDEs, can I select the best one? But can I select the best one or not? Yes or no, guys? I'm telling you once again, see, the official software, what we downloaded, it provided IDE, but it is not so user-friendly. So we are taking the help of Anaconda. Anaconda software. Anaconda software is providing us almost 14 different IDEs. Out of this 14, can we select the best one? Can we select the best one? Yes or no? Obviously, we choose best. Obviously, we choose best. So, out of this 14, the people who are very much new to the Python need to use this one, Jupyter. Jupyter. It's a 5-star one. Why sir it is important means the intelligence you'll get to know when we get into the topics. You'll have a clear idea what is the power of Jupyter notebook. Okay, Jupyter notebook is very much. So we will be using this ID. We will be using this ID. Guys, now tell me. This here is the interview question once again. I opened command prompt. Python. Okay, Python is there. Now I am opening another prompt that is nothing but Anaconda prompt. Anaconda prompt, guys. See, this is not a command prompt. This is command prompt. What I have opened, and if I am typing Python, it is telling me yes, Python software is there. If I am opening, Anaconda. Anaconda, because you installed Anaconda software now, so Anaconda prompt will be open. Let's say you install Anaconda software. So as a person, if you want to connect with the Anaconda, if you want to talk with Anaconda software, in the mediator, Anaconda prompt will be there. So here, as a person, if I want to talk with my operating system, there is a command prompt for me. There is a command prompt. In the same way, For the Anaconda prompt is there. So we will talk with Anaconda prompt will talk with Anaconda, and the reply will come back. So now what we have done, if you see here, this is command prompt. In the command prompt, we are typing Python, we are getting Python 3.9.30. Again, I am opening Anaconda prompt. Once downloading Anaconda, everything will be available. Anaconda prompt. Here, if you see, both are different. This is C drive user Perla. This is operating system. I mean, Windows 11. But Anaconda is different. Anaconda is just for Anaconda software only. If I type Python here, will I get any error? Guys, will I get any error? It's a simple general question. In the Anaconda prompt, if I am typing Python means, Anaconda will tell like, say, let's say, as a person, what you're doing, you're typing Python. You are not typing to the command prompt. You are typing in Anaconda prompt. Anaconda prompt will talk with Anaconda software. So here you are writing Python. Okay, this will take and call. It will talk with Anaconda software whether Python is there or not. Python is there or not in Anaconda software. Now tell me, will I get a proper outcome or will I get any error? Anaconda is with the connection with Python. Is the connection with Python. So obviously, in the Anaconda, Python will be available. In Anaconda, internally, Python will be available. Okay. The second thing is, the second question is, now, here is a technical question, guys. Okay. You are talking with Anaconda prompt. Anaconda prompt is talking with Anaconda software and telling, yes, Python is there. Because Anaconda means combination of Python. As a human being, I am talking with my command prompt and I am asking my operating system whether Python is there or not. So obviously we installed original Python software, we'll get a proper reply. Here you installed Anaconda software, so here also you get proper reply. Now my question is, these Python's version and these Python version, both will be same? Both will be same or different? This is the original from the original official documentation you downloaded, and your version is 3.11. So Anaconda, you are installing Anaconda. Anaconda is providing Python. So will Anaconda will be also having the same software like Python 3.11? No, you can't say. Sometimes they might up to date. Anaconda might be up to date. Sometimes they might not be up to date. So it's a different story. See, Python will be there, but up to date or not, we can't say. See, if I just type 3.9, see, my just Anaconda, my original, what is the my 3.9.13. My official Python software in my system is 3.9.13. And the Python in Anaconda is also 3.9.13. See, both are same in my system. In your case, if it may different also, no issues. No issues because we are not using the original one. So I'm going to cut it. We are completely going to use Anaconda only. So this is the basic stuff. Basic stuff that how we are going to install the softwares. So finally, I'm going to tell you, keep it aside. Just use only one thing. The original software. It's just for idea sake, I told you. Remove this original software from the brain. Everything remove. Just only one agenda, Anaconda. Yes, I am going to use Anaconda to do the practice, to develop Python. Now, as I told you, which one we need to use? Which one you want to use? Jupyter. Click on this one. Click on this launch. Click on this launch option. Before launching, before clicking on this launch, everyone type in the search Jupyter, Jupyter. I think a lot of people will not see this kind of outputs. Yes or no? Yes. Do anyone, if they downloaded Anaconda means, are able to see these outcomes, Jupyter notebook? If you just type JUPY in the search, no, you can't see these outcomes because you just downloaded the Anaconda software, but you are not telling that I will use only Jupyter Notebook. Sir, no, you just download Anaconda. Anaconda is providing 14 different places to work, 14 different IDEs. So to use the Jupyter Notebook, you need to click on launch. Click on launch. So just click on launch here. Click on launch. If you click on launch, the Jupyter Notebook will be set up. It will set up. See, it will set up Jupyter Notebook. I will explain you what this is everything. But see, it opened in the Google. It opened in the Google. Obviously, Jupyter Notebook will be open in the Google. There is no need of internet also. No need of internet also. There's just it will open in the local host. The Google. Cut it. Cut it. Now, if you go to search option and if you type Jupyter, now you can see Jupyter Notebook because you launched it. You launched it here. You launched it here. Okay. So now what we are going to do? We are going to take the help of Jupyter Notebook. We are going to start the work. Now the question is, sir, in this current generation, this much technology is there. So do we need to install all these softwares? Is it really important? No. This is just for me. I mean, from my side, I need to tell, so I'm telling. But there is no need of downloading any softwares. Okay. Just to open your Google Drive. Everyone, open your Google Drive. Everyone, open your Google Drive. So here, what I'm going to do is I am going to create a folder. I am going to create a folder called data analysis morning. I'm just creating something like morning batch. Guys, at least you need to do these things. The people who didn't download the software, please do this one. Open the drive, create a folder. Data analysis morning batch. See, I am creating a folder. I created a folder. Okay. Go inside the folder. And the folder is empty. Folder is empty. Go inside the folder. Folder is empty. Guys, are you following me? Anyone? Anyone open? Just anyone of you tell me like whether you opened the Google Drive or not. So it will be very easy for other students to understand. Because in my laptop, everything is set up. So the people who didn't set up now will have a clear idea. Everybody open Google Drive. Okay. So after opening the Google Drive, create a folder, anything, whatever the folder that you want, you can create it. And after creating the folder, go inside the folder. Go inside the folder. After going inside the folder, click on right option. Click on right color button, right button in your mouse, right button in your mouse. You can see new folder file upload, some options you can see. Along with this, you can see an option called more. Along with this, you can see an option called more. Guys, everyone following me? At least anyone, please talk now. I'm not getting confirmation whether you're following or not, whether you open the drive or not. Okay. So click on more. Once clicking on more, you can see, I know a lot of people can't see this option called Google Collaboratory. Am I right? Am I right? Lot of people in the drive, they can't see this Google Collaboratory. Are you able to see or not? I think you will not see that particular option, Google Collaboratory. You will not see this option, according to my knowledge. So, what you have to do is click on Connect More Apps. Click on Connect More Apps. Okay. Clicking on Connect More Apps. In the search option, see in the search option, type Google G-O-O-G-L, Google Collab. Collab. And you can see this one. This one. Okay. Click on it. Click on it and you can see here install option. I already installed. You can see an option called install. Install. You just need to install it. Click on install. Okay. Click on install. After installation completed, close it. After installation completed, just click on install. It will install, and after installation completed, close it. Close it. Then what you will do? What you will do? Once refresh the drive. Once refresh the drive. Okay. Fine. Now again right click on it. Click on more options. Now you will be able to see Google Collaborator. You will be see because you install now, you will be able to see Google Collaborator. If I click on it, it will open in the Google Collab. Nothing but Jupyter Notebook. Nothing but Jupyter Notebook. Guys, see, nothing but Jupyter Notebook. See what happened here. What happened here? As a person, you are taking the help of Anaconda Jupyter Notebook. You are taking the help of you are downloading the Anaconda software, and as a person, you are taking the help of Jupyter Notebook, and you are learning the Python. But everyone will be not having the high configuration laptop, no? Few people will be having very less amount of laptop. So what Google has developed, Google does for is in the Google Drive, we can install Google Collaboratory. So as a person, if I install Google Collaboratory, it's nothing but the Google Jupyter Notebook. Okay, notebook. Both are same. This notebook is same. But what Google is telling, instead of downloading the software and making complicate your laptop, please use in the online, na? Please use in the online. Let's say, see, JUPY in my locals in my laptop, in my local system, I am opening the Jupyter Notebook. See, I am opening Jupyter Notebook. Suppose, see, I am opening Jupyter Notebook. See, you can see here. You can see Jupyter Notebook. Okay. So this is open in the Anaconda. Now I will open in the Google. I will open in the directly in the online only. Both are same or not? See, both are same or not? You are getting the box or not? You are getting the box or not? Here also same story. Here also same. The options are also same. Everything is same. So my request is, don't download the software. Such a heavy software. Such a heavy software. Don't download it. We can use in the online. We can use in the online. Let's say suppose I will tell you like this. See, first class, suppose Python basics. Python basics. Sir, how we can understand in the see? I will just remove it. So my folder is empty now. Whatever the folder that I created, it is empty. There is no files. So imagine this is the first class, for example, Python basics. We are going to learn Python basics. So what I will do? Yes, I want to learn Python basics. Click on right option. Click on more. Click on Google Collaborative. You will open the Jupyter Notebook in the Google, in the online only. In the online only. Okay. In the online only. Just you need to have internet. Yeah. See here, I will keep the name Python basics. Python basics. And you can start working here. You can just learn some techniques. You can learn the techniques what I teach you. Sir, how this is going to work? See, there is option for you to connect. Connect. If you just click on it. Now what happens? As a person, you are using the Google Jupyter Notebook. So what is the meaning of connect means? You are connecting to the internet, to that particular server. If you want to use, you can't use directly. You need to connect with it. That's why, see, you can see here. You will just get mad if you see the features of this Google Colab. Click on it. See, if you see here 225 GB of, 225.8 GB of storage they are giving. And you can see the RAM is 12.7 GB. 12 GB RAM is there. In your laptop, it might be 4 GB or 8 GB. 12 GB RAM. If you want to use for the gaming, I think a lot of people know, for gaming, we need GPUs. See, change runtime. You will be having the GPUs also. If you want to use CPU, use CPU. If you want to use GPU, different kind of GPUs will be available. TPU, more powerful than GPU. You can just play 8K games with it. Okay. Google is providing everything in the online. There is no need of installing software, nothing. Free. It is completely free. There is no need of paying a single rupee also. A single rupee also. So here we are going to work. For every topic, see Python basics, we'll create a file, we'll learn. Okay, sir. For one, are we going to do everything in one file? No. Python basics, one file. Next. Just here. Another file, another. In every topic will be in each, each file will be having only one topic, so that it will be very easy for the people to understand. Next, Python intermediate. See, intermediates. So if you cut it, if you just cut it, see, Python intermediate. You can just rename it Python intermediate. So every topic we will create one file. Every topic will create a file here. Okay, so that it is very easy for you when you are doing the practice. When you are doing the practice. Recently, if you just want, recently for Stanford University, people, just for advanced level of Python, I have teached the Python for them. I have teached the Python for them. Let's say they requested to teach in Jupyter Notebook only because American people don't like to download the softwares. They will work everything in the online only. So they recommended me to just use this Google Colab. So see, somewhere the files will be there. Let's say we uninstalled or what, I think I yes process. Yes. See guys, see, let's say code files. Every topic one file. Easily. Lifetime access drive, lifetime access. So it is very easy. Each topic in one particular file. Very easy for the people to understand. Okay, everything will be available in online. Okay, project, everything will be online available. Instead of downloading the software, wasting the time, making complicated your laptop, please use your Google Colab. Okay? Google Colab. Guys, clear everyone? Understood? Till here, any doubts? Till the software installation part. So successfully, what we have done till now, yesterday and today. So since these are the basic classes now, software installation and an idea why we are using this Jupyter Notebook, you'll get a clear, clear picture. I think so. Guys, clear now, everyone? Any doubts? Why we are installing Python first of all? Why Anaconda? Why we are not using in the laptop? Why we are using the online? Why we need to use Anaconda? So these kind of things, I think, make sense for you. So from tomorrow, what we are going to do? Class tomorrow, basics. Tomorrow, Python. We are going to start Python. From tomorrow, please everyone try to attend the class. Okay. If you just miss one class, I can't do anything. Why? Because, see, I am developing the code from the scratch, like from the basic, I will tell you. From where we are getting this one, from where it is going. So the control flow, everything. So please try to attend the classes without fail. Tomorrow we'll start with Python basics, very, very basics. We'll go each topic one by one. Okay. So any doubts you can ask me, or else I will share this written file and the recording in 1 hour. You can go through it. And from tomorrow, we'll start going into the Python topics. Okay. Guys, if you're not understanding the classes, anything, please let me know. We'll make improvement on the classes. Okay. Cool. Clear now, guys, everyone? Okay. Okay, guys. So see you tomorrow. Same timing, same link. Everything is same. Okay. From tomorrow, we are going to start working. Okay, just 2 classes now. Just a software install. I think you'll get you got a clear idea about the placement things also. So clearly I explained everything. Make sure you attend daily and just do the hard work from your side. Okay. Okay, guys. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow, guys. Have a great day.